Hello. Today I'll be just talking about what are the mistakes which students make while they are learning any coding or any programming languages. Maybe it's a Java or a Python. What exactly mistakes they make? See, firstly, when the training is going on, they are only concerned with, okay, what the trainer is writing the code, the trainer is doing the coding, and then they follow that coding and they execute the program and they are like happy enough, oh yes, the code is getting executed. But they are not trying to understand what exactly is the concept and why are you writing the code. That is the main thing. So they are not really understanding the concept, rather than they are just executing the code. That is one mistake which students make, because when we give them assignments, when we give them to solve the problems, they face problem in writing the code because they are not aware or they are not clear with the concept that to solve this question, which concept should I apply. So that is one scenario, that is one mistake which students usually make. And the other thing is, it's not enough only doing assignments or learning. You have to explore more than that. Only assignments or only whatever is being taught in the sessions is not enough. You need to explore more above. You need to build small applications and all. So this is what the students are making mistakes. They are not really understanding the concept and they are just concerned of whether the code is executing. So guys, please take care of that, and you need to make sure that your concepts are clear, which concepts to be used in which scenario. That is the very, very important thing whenever you learn any programming languages or any coding stuff.